Hey everybody, all my YouTube links. Hope you guys are doing good today. Hope you're not doing bad. Even if you're not doing great, I hope you're alright today. Mentally, emotionally, even for a moment. So, this is going to be a very short video because my plan is to share something that really hit home with me. You know, a lot of times the videos I make, I can go back and look and see that I'm really counseling myself. Now, if you get something out of it, that's like a double score. Now, without saying any names, there is a female singing artist that I have loved for probably 20 years now. And during part of a song that she has, there's a speaking part. Now, I'm absolutely no infringement. This is totally out of adoration and love, hopefully education purposes, and just to give you guys something to hold on to, because it's something I'm holding on to, and I'm reminding myself of it daily. And if you can do so, I hope you get the benefit that I'm getting from it. It's, you know, I'm not gonna all of a sudden be able to cook and clean and be superwoman, none of that stuff. But at least it helps me to be more acceptable to to who I am. So, without further ado, you are bold. You are brilliant. You are beautiful. There is no other person like you. You are capable. I love you. It's true. Honestly, I love you. We're never going to meet, most likely. And I know it probably sounds insane for me to say I love you. But when it's on my heart to say I love you to someone, even if it's someone I don't know and probably will never know, I feel like that someone needs to know they're loved. You may think no one in the world loves you, but I do. And I only know one way to love, with all my heart. Good, bad, indifferent. I love you. I feel free now that I have realized I will never ever fit that tiny sliver of a mold that society wants me to be. Never going to fit into that. Never going to be that way. I am never going to be perfect enough for a lifestyle, a society, industry, political stance, religious, spiritual, you name it. I'm never going to be perfect enough. But that's okay. It's okay. Let's see. Because they want you, people want you to be perfect from the outside in. And yeah, you can, if you're female, sure, you can throw on makeup, you can make yourself look prettier to yourself and maybe prettier to other people, but that's not pretty. That's, you know, that's attractive aesthetically. Yeah, you might be pretty to the eye. That's not what matters. It does to society, but that's not what matters. What you are as a person, who you are as a person. That's what defines us. So, if you're mentally ill, if you don't think you're pretty in the mirror, that's because you're not looking deeply enough. A lot of us don't like our reflections, but you know what? Introspect. Look inside. I bet you care a lot more than people realize, and maybe more than you realized until this moment. So, stop worrying so much about what people think based on your looks, and love yourself for who you are. You are worthy. You deserve love. Nothing you have done in your past makes you unworthy of love today. Now, I'm going to leave it with pretty much that. It's okay to not be perfect in society's eyes. Be good to you. Be good enough to you. Because you're good enough. And if you ever doubt it, I believe in you. I believe in you. You're not alone. You're beautiful. You're brilliant. You're amazing. And you are perfect to me. So, from light and love, Terry. My name is Terry. I love you guys. I hope you have a beautiful, what day is it? Hope you guys have a beautiful Wednesday. Maybe even a Wednesday that's as beautiful as you are. So many smooches. Just this deuces. And you guys have a great day.